हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप सभी लोग का फिर से एक नए वीडियो में। एंड वंस अगेन आई एम बैक विद वन मोर वीडियो। एंड इन दिस activity we all guys are going to talk with Gemini. You must have heard the name of Gemini, and with the help of this application all trainees will ask so many questions. बहुत बारी क्या होता है कि हमारे पास एक शिकायत आता है, हम एक दूसरे से एक्सक्यूज देते हैं कि यार हम कहाँ बात करें। बट राइट नाउ यू आर लिविंग इन द ईयर ऑफ 2026, सो यू हैव नो एक्सक्यूजेस। आपके पास वो एक्सक्यूजेस नहीं रहेंगे, आप बात कर सकते हो बड़े ही आसान से जेमिनाई के साथ। सो इन दिस एक्टिविटी हम सीखेंगे कि आखिर हम जेमिनाई से कैसे बात करते हैं। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। As you can see on the video, hi Gemini, how are you today? And today I'm going to do activity with my trainees, and you are going to answer all the questions. So are you ready to do this activity with my all trainees?
Hello, I'm doing great, thank you. And yes, I'm definitely ready to participate. It sounds like a fun activity.
All right.
What should we start with?
So first of all, I'm going to start with my first trainee, Aditya. Just ask the question.
What do you think about positive and negative mindset?
It's nice to meet you, Aditya.
Once.
What do you think about positive and negative mindset?
A positive mindset can bring about better problem solving and more resilience, while a negative mindset can often lead to increased stress and a more limited perspective. They both significantly impact how we experience life.
All right, I'm going to give chance to my next trainee. Shivani, ask the question. What do you want to ask?
Hi Gemini, how are you?
Hello, Shivani. What's on your mind?
I have some questions and I want to ask you. Could I ask?
I'm doing great, thank you. And yes, please ask away.
So, how to calculate my mental age to calculate IQ level?
Mental age is typically determined through standardized IQ tests. It compares your cognitive performance to the average for a particular age group. Is there a specific test you're interested in?
Thank you very much for this information. And what is formula of IQ level?
The standard formula is mental age divided by chronological age multiplied by 100. Is there anything specific you'd like to know about that?
Okay.
Well, let me speak. It is only a conversation, and I'm just doing conversation with you, and my all trainees are asking. Now, I would like to ask Gemini. Can you please tell me what do you think about trip? Trip is going to be absolutely good for our mental health, or it is not going to be good for our mental health?
In my opinion, trips can be incredibly beneficial for mental health. They offer a change of scenery, a break from daily stress, and opportunities for relaxation.
You
and
mean to
new
say
ex-
opportunity for relaxation, and it is going to be absolutely a different experience for the people, right?
Precisely. It can provide a fresh perspective and break from routine. Hello, Sanjay. What's your question?
It's my question is what is do you think about good knowledge of any particular fields?
Having good knowledge in a particular field can be very valuable. It allows for deeper understanding, better decision making, and often greater success in that area.
Please, you ask some question to my trainee. And they are absolutely beginners, and they are absolutely learning English these days. So ask a very simple and easy questions.
In that case, a simpler question. What is your favorite subject to learn and why?
Computer science, and I have interest in computer science. I love coding, and I love working on systems.
That sounds interesting. What specific tasks or projects do you enjoy related to systems?
Like types of types of enjoyment project, like I whenever I practice, I try to make like m- I'm not a experience holder, so I try to make a simple project, like mini cards and wedding cards, these types.
That sounds creative. So you enjoy working on design projects like cards and things. That's a great way to be productive and use
Okay,
your skills.
I'm going to give chance to Sivani. Don't take it. Don't take it. Speak that.
Oh, hi, Gemini. If a person accepts
I'm
the
ready.
situation, he or she gets confidence. Is it true or not?
It can definitely be true. Accepting a situation can lead to a sense of peace and empowerment, which can boost confidence.
So
It allows you to
you mean to say confidence is very important in terms of public speaking, in terms of communication skill, in terms of facing people, right?
Yes, that's very true. Confidence plays a vital role in public speaking, communication, and facing people in general.
All right,
As it helps.
I'm going to give chance to my another trainee, and absolutely he will ask different question. Okay, Abhay, you will ask a different question.
Hello, Abhay. I'm ready for your question.
It is my question is what is the importance of face exercise in our life?
Building confidence is really important. I think it comes from a few things: setting realistic goals and achieving them, practicing self compassion, and stepping outside of your comfort zone a bit.
You mean to say
What do you
stepping
find
outside
helpful?
of your comfort zone? Whenever we go out of our comfort zone, then definitely we will get a kind of confidence, right?
Building confidence is crucial. It's a journey that often involves challenging your limits and celebrating your achievements. Wouldn't you agree?
Yes, definitely. You are absolutely right.
Hi Gemini.
Hello.
So
What's on your mind today?
my question is, how can someone feel so productive regarding their works?
Feeling productive often comes from setting clear goals, breaking down tasks into smaller steps, and minimizing distractions. Also, don't forget the importance of
How
taking
to
breaks.
minimize
Does that make
distractions?
sense?
How to minimize distractions?
Minimizing distractions can involve things like turning off notifications, finding a quiet workspace, or even using productivity techniques that help you focus on one task at a time.
So
What
you
kind
mean
of
to
distractions do you face most often?
you mean to say just finding a great space and finding a great place to work for a particular task. It is going to be absolutely fantastic for those people, right?
Exactly. A dedicated space can make a huge difference in focus and productivity. What kind of environment do you find most helpful?
If you talk about the environment and all that, see, everybody should work in a very proper place and in a very peaceful place, according to my point of view.
I agree. A proper and peaceful environment can make a big difference. And remember, even small steps toward creating that space can be productive.
I asked you, do you have any problem?
I don't have problems in the way people do. I'm just a large language model.
All right.
Is there something specific you're concerned about?
Do you think human species is the most intelligent as well as dumbest species on Earth?
That's a complex question. Humans have definitely achieved incredible things with our intelligence: language, technology, art, and science.
So what do you think
But
about the technology?
technology is a double edged sword, I'd say. It has brought huge benefits in communication, medicine.
Okay, Gemini, listen to me. I'm going to give you a kind of role play. I'm going to be a student and you are going to be my teacher. And you will ask some basic questions and I'm going to ask I'm going to answer all the questions. So are you ready to do this role play with me?
Yes, I'm ready. Hello, student. Let's start with some basic questions. What subject are we focusing on today?
English. This day I am
Great
focusing
choice.
on English.
To begin, can you tell me the definition of a verb?
The definition of verb.
Uh, sorry,
A
I
verb
forgot.
is. Yes, a role play. What kind of scenario are we diving into today? Are your students explorers, scientists, or something else?
No. We were playing a kind of role play, and you were teacher, and we were your students, and you were asking so many basic questions. So once again, can you please continue that particular question?
That's right. How about the bird sings beautifully? What is the verb in that sentence?
Sing. Sings is verb in this sentence.
Exactly. You've got it.
All right,
Now,
you got it.
how about an adjective? What is the purpose of an adjective?
What is the purpose of an adjective?
I hope you're all ready to learn today. Let's start with some basic questions. Can someone tell me what the capital of India is?
Delhi.
That's correct. New Delhi. Now, for another one. Can you tell me what the largest planet in our solar system is?
What is the largest planet in our solar system?
Could you change the question?
Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system.
Precisely. Jupiter. You all are doing great.
Please ask some questions related to English language, and do conversation with us.
I understand. We can definitely practice English together. How about this? What is your favorite type of food and why do you like it?
My favorite food is burger.
Burgers. A classic choice. What makes your favorite burger so delicious?
I don't like burger. I like pudding
Oh, my
rice
mistake.
because
What do
it
you
gives
prefer
me
to eat?
energy. I like pudding rice because it gives me energy and there is vitamins.
That sounds very nutritious. What kind of vitamins and energy do you get from it?
What kind of vitamins and adjective do you get from that? Yes, give the answer. What kind of energy?
Rice
do you-
is
Vitamin-
typically a good
vitamin
source
A.
of carbohydrates, which provide energy, and some B vitamins. Are you interested in specific vitamins?
No, I'm not interested in specific vitamins.
No problem. It's good to know the basics. So, what other topics would you like to practice speaking about?
What do you think about building resilience and why it is important for a person?
Building resilience is really important for personal growth. It's about being able to bounce back from difficulties,
And what is
adapt to
difference
change,
between
and
growth
handle
and
pressure.
progress? What is difference between growth and progress?
Growth is more about increasing or expanding, like getting taller or learning new facts. Progress is more about moving forward or improving, like getting better at playing a sport or
Okay,
a
ask
language.
next question to my trainee. He's waiting for your question.
Great. For your next question, can you describe what your dream job is and why?
What is your dream job?
My dream job is army.
That's a very admirable dream. What inspires you to want to join the army?
What inspires you to join the army?
I like to serve Indian Army. It's my
Serving the country, the discipline, and the opportunity to make a difference are often common reasons. Are those things that resonate with you?
How to get discipline?
Getting disciplined often starts with setting clear goals, creating a routine, and practicing self control.
Can you suggest how can someone get rid from the procrastination and be focused?
See, you are a great procrastinator, and she is procrastinating. Yes. Next question from your side, Sanjay. Please ask some question.
Hello, Gemini.
Hello there. What can I do for you?
Can you ask some question?
Sure, I could do that. What kind of questions are you thinking about?
I would like to talk about dress well. Can you suggest me? I am God.
That sounds fun. To give you the best suggestions, what kind of style are you into? Casual, dressy, or something else?
Casual.
I am not able to rid of distraction. So how to get it?
Distractions can be tough. You could try using noise canceling headphones, turning off notifications on your devices, or even trying a technique like the Pomodoro technique, which involves focused study periods with
And
short
what
breaks.
is meaning of
Finding what
what
works
is
best
meaning
for
of
you is
Pomodoro?
key.
What is meaning of Pomodoro technique?
The Pomodoro technique is a time management strategy where you work in focused 25-minute intervals separated by short breaks.
In this way, you can also practice with Gemini or whatever you have application. You have Gemini, Perplexity, or a kind of Chat GPT. You can talk with that particular application, and when you talk with that particular application, then definitely you are going to understand your real English. You are going to understand how to do conversation, how to do conversation, and how you will improve your English language, and how will you improve your vocabulary. Because by using this application, you will be able to collect so many words, you will be able to collect so many sentences. And हम न जाने कितने सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस करते हैं जब उनकी बारी आती है, जब आप घर पे प्रैक्टिस कैसे करें, किससे हम बात करें. सो ये सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आपके साथ भी होगा. आई एम डैम श्योर एंड आई एम 101% श्योर कि आपके पास ये प्रॉब्लम होगा. सो आप बड़े ही आराम से अपने मोबाइल में, अपने टैब में, अपने लैपटॉप में आप उन सारे एप्लीकेशंस को इंस्टॉल करिए, एंड डेफिनेटली यू आर गोइंग टू बी द मास्टर ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, और यू आर गोइंग टू बी द मास्टर ऑफ अ काइंड, यू विल बिकम अ काइंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेटिव पर्सन व्हेन यू यूज दिस ऑल एप्लीकेशन. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम से आप इन सारे एप्लीकेशंस को यूज करिए, और आप एक बहुत बड़े बदलाव को देखेंगे व्हेन यू यूज दिस ऑल एप्लीकेशन. बिकॉज आपने बहुत देखा कि बहुत सारे ट्रेनिंग्स यहाँ से क्वेश्चन पूछे, कुछ नेटवर्क इश्यू होने की वजह से जेमिनाई सही तरीके से जवाब भी नहीं दे पा रहा था, और मैंने भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन continue your conversation, you can continue your English speaking practice, and definitely you are going to win your a kind of activity, and definitely you are going to win a kind of conversation. Till then, keep practicing as much as you can, and I always say, if you really want to speak English fluently, do only one thing, and that is stop wishing and start speaking.